Hey, Future Bestsellers, Lisa Daly here. Are you like trying to get to the next level in your romance writing career and you're just stuck? Well, you are definitely going to want to see this. Hi, everybody. Okay, so I just have to tell you, this is the first time I am seeing all of this all together in one place. Let me go back a little bit and explain what this is about. A few weeks ago, I was approached by InfoStack, which is this incredible organization that bundles resources for different groups. And they'd asked me if I would be willing to contribute my book, Become a Famous Romance Author, in this romance writer super stack. And the more I read about it, the more I was completely blown away. And they were sort of dropping little hints about who else would be included. And so I already knew I was going to buy this for myself on day one. So even though I've written numerous romance novels and coached other people, the stuff in this super stack is so incredible that I am, it's I can't pass it up. I can't pass it up. Okay, so I just wanted to go through all of this with you, just so you can sort of see what is included in this. But for $49, you get $1,500 worth of stuff, and I don't know about you, but for me, if it's free, it's for me. And if it's a bargain, it's also for me. No matter where you are in your romance writing career, this is just an incredible super stack, because there are great resources if you are, if you've already written 30 books and you've already hit the USA Today bestseller list, or if you are just starting out writing your very first romance novel, trying to figure out exactly how to do things. There is something in this super stack for everybody. So, all right, here we go. 26 different best-selling and award-winning romance authors, which is phenomenal. The other thing I want to tell you guys is that this deal is only available for a week. So this isn't one of those things where you bookmark it and go, oh, I'll get back to that later, which is something that I totally do. This is something that you're going to want to get now, because it's only on sale for a week. It goes off a week from today. Okay, so for $49, you get 4 different e-courses, 10 different ebooks, 3 different master classes, planners, and I love this part. K-Lytics is providing a super in-depth romance genre analytics report. And I will say, every time Alex over at K-Lytics produces a new romance report, I buy it anyway. So that's $40 every time. And now here we're getting all a supercharged report, which is worth $148, all under this $49. So plus, I love this. I'm so excited because I did not know all these bonuses were going to happen. Okay, so 12 months of access to how to write a romantic page turner masterclass. Incredible. Paula Judith Johnson's 3 writing mistakes you don't want to make. I've actually seen this workshop in person. Phenomenal. You definitely don't want to miss that. Fictionary is an online story editing tool, and I have not tried this out yet, but I've had it. This is one of those things that I've had on my list for a while that I wanted to try. And so I love the fact that that's also in this bundle, that you can see what you can try it out for 3 months and see whether or not you like it. But apparently what you do, I'm super excited. Apparently what you do with this is that you upload your story, and it tells you oh, you're missing this thing. Which, if you're stuck, which, let's face it, we've all been there. If you're stuck, this is something that could actually really help you. I mean, yeah, I can upload there right now. Okay, so a 30% discount on a romance manuscript evaluation by Kimberly Hunt. You can always use a good developmental edit, but Kimberly has such a great reputation. So the fact that you could get a 30% discount is what? Passion project to publish strategy call with Danica Bloom. She's amazing. She's such great energy. And a Pitch Power Pack by Bethany Marshall. I think this sounds absolutely fantastic to perfect your book pitch for agents, publishers, media pros, etc. I should talk to her. So, $1,500. Let's do it. I want to see what we get. All right. I mean, like I said, I was already planning on doing this anyway. Plus, there's like a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, if for some reason I thought it wasn't worth it, which I know it is, but if for some reason afterwards I was like, I don't really like all this stuff, then I could just get my money back. So I always like that too. All right. Buy now. Okay. Hold on. I'm just going to pause this for a second while I enter my credit card information because, I love you guys, but I'm not doing that. Ooh, okay, so here's our confirmation, and it looks like they're going to send us our new member account name, username, and password so that we can access all of our goodies. Yay! I'm super excited about this. All right. Okay, I have logged into my account, and now let's check out what we're going to get. All right, so I'm clicking on Romance Writer Superstack, $1,500 worth of goodies. I'm super, super excited about that. Let's look. Holy smokes. Okay, here's the Fictionary Storyteller. That was the one I was telling you guys about, where you can upload your stuff and it'll tell you where the holes are in your plot, which I think is awesome. The K-Lytics Info Stack Romance 3x seminar bundle. He has phenomenal intel. They are just constantly, analyzing what all the different trends are in books. And so if you are looking to write to market or just maybe get a little bit of an advantage or just go like, am I banging my head against the wall? K-Lytics is absolutely fantastic. 2 things every scene needs: the Fiction Writer's Handbook, Romanceology. Holy crap, you guys. I can't believe that you get all this stuff for $49. Like, it's just unbelievable. Rehab at Your Writing Life. I definitely need that because I still feel like my writing schedule is off after the pandemic. How to write sex scenes with the Sex Masterclass. I love this though because there's also how to increase romance for sweet romance authors. So if you don't want to include sex scenes, you still need to find a way to communicate that chemistry and falling in love. And so that's challenging in itself. And so there are actually some tools to get better at that as well. Love. Oh, there's me. Become a famous romance author. 3 writing mistakes you don't want to make. You definitely need that. Don't we all need that one? Kind of dying to know what those are. Pitch Power Pack. Love. Passion Project to Published. Writing Reverse Harem Romance for fun and money. And a 30% discount on romance evaluation. That is so much stuff for $49, you guys. Holy crap. All right. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys behind the curtain. This is some amazing stuff. I cannot wait to dig in to these different products. I'm super excited. If you guys want to find out more about this, I'm going to drop a link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you want to write a book you're super proud of, market it, get it published, this is the channel for you. And I hope that you have found this really valuable. Definitely let me know in the chat below. And if you are looking to write a romance book and you're struggling with the basic story beats, you might want to check out this video. See you over there.